Hey, okay, so before I head out to the parks this morning, I am gonna open that package. A friend surprised me, had a package delivered for my birthday here, but I know that some people ask about special, packages and flowers and stuff to get sent to the room. One quick note, the new company apparently does not actually send the packages to your specific room. What they will do is send it to the front desk, and then I think if you online check-in or use the pre-check-in or whatever before you get here, the front desk will actually bring the item to your room because obviously they'll know where you're going. Otherwise, I don't know. I mean, they kind of made it sound like, if you get something like this, they'll send it to the front desk and then, your guests will get it from the front desk. But mine was actually in my room, so it was actually quite a big surprise. Let's see what's inside, because I know that a couple people always want to see what the items are that you can get. I do not know what this package is called. Again, it was a birthday gift, but I wanted to kind of show you all the snacks, so I'm kind of gonna go through it, and I'm gonna open it up and we'll see all the little goodies. I mean, it's a lot of food basically, and then it's a really kind of cool bag with there's a water bottle in it as well. So let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see, it comes with a little bow, and the little bow has all these little hidden Mickeys in it, and I've got some snackies. But I also got some scissors. I know these are craft scissors. They're not the best, so let's see how well they cut. I will have to figure out how to, you know what, I'm gonna cut it open and then I will show you all the pieces. Okay, cellophane is off now, so you get a box of raisins. It's all taped together. There's some raisins and Cheez-Its. And then there's stuffing. I'm sure there's nothing else in here. It's just hard. They do have a piece of cardboard back here that they, keeps it upright, I suppose. So they got Cheez-Its and a Cliff Bar and Go-Go applesauce. Which, okay, I will be honest, this actually is pretty good. I like it cold, so I put it in the refrigerator, and it actually tastes really good. I know there's a lot of little kids that eat it. It's also offered as one of the kids' snacks that you can also get. So, these are all taped together, and it's very hard to do with one hand. Looks like I ripped open this, but I can't rip open this bag. Alright, so underneath, oh yeah, I did rip open the cookies. So that's Go-Gurt and Cheez-Its and chocolate chip mini cookies. This is a lot of good stuff. I'm opening it now because then I can take it on the plane with me and eat it at the airport as well on Saturday, so that's good. There are chocolate chip cookies. More chocolate chip cookies. They like a lot of chocolate chip cookies. I can't get these out. Oh. What is this? This is... Alright. Pause for a second. Okay. Crunchy rollers. Those look like brown rice. I'm not a fan of brown rice, but these look really interesting to try. Might have to try some of these when I get back from the park. Multi-seed crackers. Looks like, sorry, my fat fingers are in the way of the thing, but it looks like a very big bag. Well, this is Pringles, and this is a cool water bottle. Look, it's the castle. Like it, which is always good. Stay hydrated while you're here. I actually have a thermos that keeps my water cold, but if I hadn't brought one, then I would have had this. So that's nice. Oh, put that over here. Just go ahead and lay that down. Plantain chips. Plantain chips and more plantain chips. So this is chili lemon. I don't know what this one is. Just plantain, I guess. They're just regular salted chips. And then these are multi-seed things. So let me go ahead and take the rest of this out because there's nothing inside here. This is just all stuffing, and this is stuffing. So then you can take a look at the bag. All right, so here's the bag, empty. It is a cooler bag, and it's got, you know, a rectangular cover. Obviously, you'll put ice in here because it is lined. It's plastic, and you put ice or not dry ice. You put blue ice. That's what I was trying to say. There is a zipper on both sides, so there's a zipper here, and there's also a zipper over here. The sides have side pockets. This is the strap, so you know you can loosen it and then carry it as a tote. Otherwise, it does have handles, and there's a handle in the front. Obviously, you can just wrap them together and then carry them like so. Again, I'm trying to get that. There you go, like that. Nice, right? Oh boy. So that's cool. And then there's a pocket obviously in the front as well. There's a slide here. If you want to put, I guess, more snacks. Snacks that don't have to be cool. And one last look at all the goodies that come in the bag. So you get your Pringles, you get your water bottle, you get chips. You get a lot of chips. A lot of snackies. Raisins, which I like raisins, so that's good. And applesauce, Cheez-Its, cookies. Yum! I'm gonna have a lot of snacks later.